Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7. This laptop has been generating some buzz lately, and for good reason. With its sleek design, powerful specs, and a tempting price point, the ThinkBook 16G7 promises a lot right out of the gate. But does it deliver? We're gonna find out. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and overall value to see if this laptop lives up to its reputation, and if it's the right fit for you. Alright, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's make sure we're all on the same page. The specific model we're looking at today is the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7 with the model number 21MW0001US. Now, I know model numbers can seem like a bunch of random letters and digits, but trust me, they matter, especially if you're trying to snag this exact configuration online or compare it to other models. So jot that down if you need to, 21MW0001US. This ensures you're getting the same specs and features we're about to discuss. And just to be extra clear, the SKU, which is like a barcode for retailers, is 6586762. This level of detail might seem excessive, but hey, we're all about accuracy here. Let's talk numbers, specifically the price tag. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7, in this configuration, will set you back $669.99. Now that's not exactly chump change, but in the world of laptops, especially with the specs we're talking about, it's actually quite competitive. We're talking about a solid mid-range price point here. You're not breaking the bank for a high-end ultrabook, but you're also not getting a budget laptop with lackluster performance. Lenovo is aiming for that sweet spot of affordability and capability, and on paper, they seem to be hitting the mark. But, as always, the real test is in the performance and user experience. So let's dive into what makes this laptop tick and see if it justifies that $669.99 price tag. Okay, let's talk about what this laptop gets right. First up, performance. The ThinkBook 16G7 is designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and casual users alike. Under the hood, our ThinkBook 16G7 is packing an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is known for its robust performance and efficiency. This processor ensures that for most everyday tasks, the laptop is going to feel plenty snappy. From opening applications to multitasking, everything runs smoothly. Whether you're browsing with a million tabs open, editing documents, or even streaming videos, the ThinkBook 16G7 handles it all without a hitch. For those who dabble in creative work, light photo editing is a breeze on this machine. The processor, combined with ample RAM, ensures that you can work on your projects without any lag. This processor can handle it without breaking a sweat, making your computing experience stress-free and efficient. Moving on to the build quality. Lenovo has a reputation for making solid, reliable laptops, and the ThinkBook 16G7 is no exception. The laptop boasts a sturdy chassis that feels like it can take a few bumps and knocks, which is always a plus in my book. Whether you're using it in an office, at home, or on the go, the ThinkBook 16G7 is built to last. It's got a sturdy chassis that feels like it can take a few bumps and knocks, which is always a plus in my book. And speaking of looks, the design is clean and professional with a sleek, modern aesthetic. The ThinkBook 16G7 is not going to turn heads like a flashy gaming laptop, but it's definitely a laptop you wouldn't mind being seen with at a coffee shop or in a meeting. Its understated elegance makes it suitable for both professional and casual settings. It's not going to turn heads like a flashy gaming laptop, but it's definitely a laptop you wouldn't mind being seen with at a coffee shop or in a meeting. The keyboard is also surprisingly good. It's got a nice tactile feel with decent key travel, making it comfortable for typing out long emails or documents. The keys are well spaced, reducing the chances of mistyping, which is a boon for those who type a lot. It's got a nice tactile feel, with decent key travel, making it comfortable for typing out long emails or documents. And the trackpad is spacious and responsive, which is always a plus. The large surface area allows for easy navigation and multi-touch gestures. And the trackpad is spacious and responsive, which is always a plus. Overall, the ThinkBook 16G7 excels in performance, build quality, and design, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable laptop. Now, no laptop is perfect, and the ThinkBook 16G7 does have a couple of areas where it could improve. While it offers a lot of great features, There are some aspects that might not meet everyone's expectations. One thing I noticed is that the display, while decent, isn't the most vibrant or color accurate. The screen is adequate for general use, such as browsing the web, watching videos, or working on documents. However, it falls short when it comes to delivering the rich, vivid colors that professionals in creative fields might require. It's perfectly usable for everyday tasks, but if you're a professional photographer or videographer who needs absolute color accuracy, you might want to look elsewhere or invest in an external monitor. The color reproduction is just not up to par with some of the higher-end displays on the market, which could be a deal-breaker for those who rely on precise color work. Another thing to note is that the battery life is decent, but not groundbreaking. In an era where some laptops are pushing the boundaries with all-day battery life, the ThinkBook 16G7 offers a more modest performance. You can expect to get around 6 to 7 hours of mixed usage, which is fine for most people, but if you're planning on working long hours unplugged, you might want to keep a charger handy. This is especially true if your work involves power-hungry applications or if you like to keep your screen brightness high. Finally, while the 8 GB of RAM is enough for most everyday tasks, it might feel a little limiting if you're a power user who frequently multitasks with demanding applications. For instance, running multiple browser tabs, editing large documents, or using software like Photoshop can start to push the limits of the available memory. If you're planning on doing a lot of video editing or running virtual machines, you might want to consider configuring the laptop with more RAM. Upgrading to 16 GB or more can make a significant difference in performance, ensuring smoother multitasking and better handling of resource-intensive tasks. Overall, while the ThinkBook 16G7 is a solid choice for many users, these areas of improvement are worth considering based on your specific needs. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of what this laptop is packing. The Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7 is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from professionals to students and even casual users who need a reliable machine for everyday tasks. We've already touched on the AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is a solid mid-range performer. This processor ensures that you can handle multitasking with ease, whether you're running multiple applications simultaneously or working on demanding tasks like video editing or graphic design. But what about the rest of the specs? Let's dive deeper into what makes this laptop a versatile choice for various needs. Well, you're getting 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is quite efficient for most users. This amount of RAM allows for smooth performance when running multiple applications, browsing the web with numerous tabs open, or even playing some light games. As we mentioned earlier, this is enough for most everyday tasks. Whether you're working on documents, streaming videos, or participating in video calls, the 8 GB RAM ensures a seamless experience. Storage-wise, you've got a 256 GB SSD, which is pretty standard these days. SSDs are known for their fast read and write speeds, which means quicker boot times and faster file transfers. This SSD ensures that your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently without the lag that can come with traditional hard drives. It's not the most spacious, but it's enough for your operating system, essential applications, and some files. For most users, this should be sufficient for daily use. However, if you find yourself needing more space, there are always options to expand your storage. And if you need more storage, you can always connect an external hard drive or use cloud storage. External drives are great for storing large files like videos and photos, while cloud storage offers the convenience of accessing your files from anywhere. With cloud storage, you can easily share files with others and keep your data backed up without worrying about physical storage limitations. The ThinkBook 16G7 also comes equipped with a decent selection of ports. This variety ensures that you can connect all your essential peripherals without needing additional adapters. You've got USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader, so you're pretty much covered for all your connectivity needs. These ports allow you to connect external monitors, transfer data quickly, and use various accessories with ease. The SD card reader is particularly useful for photographers and videographers who need to transfer media files quickly from their cameras to the laptop. So you're pretty much covered for all your connectivity needs. Whether you're connecting to a projector for a presentation or plugging in multiple USB devices, the ThinkBook 16G7 has you sorted. And for those who prefer wired connections, there's an Ethernet port as well. This is great for ensuring a stable and fast internet connection, especially in environments where Wi-Fi might be unreliable. The Ethernet port is a valuable addition for users who need consistent internet speeds for tasks like online gaming, video conferencing, or large file downloads. One thing I appreciate is that Lenovo didn't skimp on the little details. The keyboard is backlit, which is always a plus for working in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly useful for those late-night work sessions or when you're traveling and need to work in dimly lit environments. And the webcam, while not the sharpest, gets the job done for video calls and conferences. It's adequate for virtual meetings, online classes, and staying connected with friends and family. The webcam's quality is sufficient for most users, ensuring that you can be seen clearly during your calls without needing an external camera. Overall, the ThinkBook 16G7 offers a solid set of features that should satisfy the needs of most users. It's a well-rounded laptop that balances performance, storage, and connectivity options. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable work machine, a student needing a versatile laptop for school, or a casual user who wants a dependable device for everyday use, the ThinkBook 16G7 has got you covered. So there you have it, the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G7 is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable and stylish laptop. It's not perfect, but it offers a great balance of performance, features, and affordability. If you're a student, professional, or casual user, looking for a capable and well-rounded laptop without breaking the bank, the ThinkBook 16G7 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.